Hey guys, I'm Noah Lehman. I'm 19 years old and I'm from Germantown, Ohio. I really knew from a young age that I just wasn't going to be in an office my whole life, and I like working with my hands. I'm more of a hands-on guy, and welding, that's all it is hands-on. You control everything with your hands. I was welding in high school, and my engineering teacher, Mr. Hune, was pretty much dead set on Elite Welding Academy. From the day I came in there, he saw me welding. He's like, "You need to go here. This place fits you best. The people around there." The best thing about Elite Welding Academy for me was the camaraderie between everyone, and knowing that my teachers and everybody has been in the field and they have a lot of knowledge about everything in the B31.1 code. So that really made my mind at ease, knowing coming out of here that they're going to give me a pretty good job with all their friends out there. Absolutely, I already have. I got a couple people that are wanting to come in January starting the new class, so hopefully they signed up. I haven't heard much more about it.